What if everything you've worked for, your savings, your investments, your legacy, could be wiped out by one financial crisis? It sounds dramatic, but it's not a far-off possibility. Inflation's eating away at your purchasing power, national debt is skyrocketing, and banks are still making risky bets behind the scenes. The question isn't if the next crash is coming, it's whether your retirement is protected when it does. And that's exactly why so many smart retirees are turning to gold IRAs. So, how does it work? And more importantly, how can you set one up the right way? Let's break it down. A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals as part of your retirement portfolio. Unlike a traditional IRA that's tied to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a gold IRA gives you tangible inflation-resistant assets. Step 1. You need a custodian. This is an IRS-approved financial institution that handles the paperwork, ensures compliance, and helps you purchase the gold. Not all custodians are created equal. Some charge excessive fees or push overpriced coins. That's why doing your homework is critical. Step 2. Fund the account. You can roll over an existing IRA, 401k, or other retirement account without triggering taxes or penalties, as long as you do it correctly. Many people mess this part up and end up owing the IRS. A proper rollover is tax-free and penalty-free. Step 3. Choose your metals. Not all gold is approved for IRAs. The IRS only allows specific types, like 24-karat gold bullion coins or bars from approved mints. Stay away from collectible coins. They're often overpriced and not eligible. Once your metals are selected, they're stored in a secure, IRS-approved depository. You don't keep the gold at home. That's illegal for an IRA. But you do get full ownership and the peace of mind that comes with it. So, why gold? Because gold has a 5,000-year track record of holding value through every economic disaster imaginable. When markets crash, gold tends to rise. It's not about guessing the future. It's about preparing for the worst while still hoping for the best. And here's the part most people miss. A gold IRA isn't just about protecting your savings. It's about protecting your family's future. If you've spent decades building your nest egg, why leave it exposed to reckless politicians, Wall Street manipulation, or inflation that silently eats away at it? The good news? You don't have to navigate this alone. We've put together a free gold IRA guide that walks you through everything, step by step. And if you've got $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, you'll also get a no-obligation education-first call with a real specialist who can help you figure out if it's the right move for your situation. No pressure, no gimmicks, no free silver nonsense, just straight answers from someone who understands how hard you worked for your retirement and wants to help you protect it for the next generation. Grab the free guide today. You've earned peace of mind. Now let's help you keep it.